My name is Anna Silverlinings and I'm the director of Touch Love, the massage school for learning the art of loving and loved up touch. Today I will teach one of my favorite breathwork modalities called Wim Hof Breathing Method. Wim Hof is a very inspirational teacher and athlete. He is known as the Iceman for his developed ability to endure extreme cold for a prolonged time. He runs, he swims, does yoga and meditates all in cold weather. To prepare the body for the cold, he uses breathing method, hence the name. If you have more interest in Wim Hof and his breathing method, the internet is full of resources. Feel free to dive in. In this video, I will first introduce the benefits and then take you through the practice step by step. Let's look at a couple of the benefits and also at additional practices where I like to use this breathing to enhance their positive effect. One of their main benefits is that in no time it switches on the parasympathetic, or in other words the rest and digest nervous system. The immediate effect is that of tension melting away, feeling more centered and grounded. That brings us to the second benefit, that it helps to release the anxiety. The practice is quite short and quick, and I love that in no time I can feel that stillness of thoughts and sense of point zero. Let's look at the practices that get significant enhancement because of this breath work. First of all, I like to use it as a mind cleanser. Whether those are dark or stagnating thoughts, this method helps to clear them away and give a space for more relaxed, supportive and uplifting one. The second of my favorite uses is as an aphrodisiac. Before solo or partnered lovemaking, or even just the kissing, it just makes everything so much better. The intense breath clears the mind and awakens the body for heightened sensuality. It deepens the pleasure felt in the body, thus paving the way for bigger, more expanded and beautiful orgasms. The third use for this breathing is part of my manifestation and quantum jumping practice. I would use it either before setting intentions so I get clarity of mind, or to activate them and jump into the new reality. It's quite fascinating to feel how energy moves so intensely and then drops you into the state of surrender. I would say that usually in group sessions, this is my preferred use. Now let's move on to practice and step-by-step guidance for it. Step 1, there's strong inhale and relaxed exhale. Breathe together with me. Strong inhale and relaxed exhale. Just let it fall out. Next step, the strong inhale and relaxed exhale. We will circle it for 30 times. So strong inhale, exhale, and that will be 30 times. Step 3. So we're breathing in, out, cycling 30 times. And when comes the last 3, I'll say 3, 2, 1. Strong inhale, deep inhale, biggest exhale. And breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. And then hold on exhale as long as you can. I would say it's about a minute. And then hold. And when you can't no more, then strong inhale. Enjoy the full cycle. Step 4, let's look at everything that we just went through. So there is the inhale, exhale 30 times. And when it's 3, 2, 1, then it's a deep inhale, exhale fully, holding on exhale. Inhale fully and enjoy. And in the practice, in method, this cycle goes for 3 times. So 3 times, 30 breaths, 3 holds. And after that, we stay and rest for 3 minutes and really enjoy and integrate the positive benefits that I was talking about. So I hope you enjoyed my introduction to Wim Hof Breathing Method, and I wish you many blissful breathwork journeys.